Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to improve the video uploads to your YouTube with DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're a content creator, videographer, or photographer, you will benefit in knowing how to use this and how this tool works. I'll show you right after this. Alright, so basically this is what we're going to do. So the concept is this. DaVinci Resolve make encoding software for NVIDIA graphic cards. Specifically, the best ones that to use this and to do this is the NVIDIA 4000 series or the top end 3000 series graphic cards. So typically when you encode a video, the central processing unit, which is also called the CPU or processor, does all the work, which means the graphic card does not get to put in all of the encodings, whether it's 3D or 2D or any other kind of 2-pass or whatever type encoding. And in turn, your video be decent or good, but it don't be as great as it could be. With this, stop talking. So basically what you gotta do, if you look up here, you'll see where I got the H.264 master. That's what I use. So just for the sake of the purpose, let's just go through that real quick. Let's just do it this way, and I'm going to show you that the graphic card is doing all the work. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to click MP4 H.264. The encoder profile notice format MP4 codec H.264 master, and the encoder is going to be NVIDIA. Resolution, that's 4K resolution just looking at. And I only got a couple of more things that I'm going to change real quick. And that's going to be for my encoding profile. I'm going to change that to 444 pull down. Okay. And then that my bit rate, I'm going to change that to custom preset. I'm going to click very fast. That will give me high quality 2-pass. I'm not going to do a 2-pass. I am going to do a 2-pass. And we're going to do a full. So that'll give me 2-pass full. Alright, so basically all you do is add to render. And we're going to save it to my desktop just for the sake of the video. We're going to name it, Tube. Okay? Then after Tube, we're going to click save. Then we're going to add to the render. But let me X these two previous ones out. Okay, let me add to render. Right there. So I'm going to click render out. Now I'm going to show you that the graphic card is doing majority of the work. I'm going to click on performance. I'm going to slide it up here. Look at the graph. 76%, 71, 80. It's only doing 33. It's going to go down though. So look at what's doing all the work. Let me move myself up here. So look at what's doing all the work. This here is the graphic card is here. Look, 3D. That's the other one. That's the video encoding. That's the decoding. And not including these branches down here. Now look at the CPU. It's only doing one thing, but it's only doing 30 to 40%. All right. Look at what the graphic card doing, and look at all the work it's doing. Now with that being said though, so what's going to happen is this here. It also makes the encoding quicker as well. So let me move this here out the way, and you can see, look, the video encoding is almost done already, by the way. And with that being said, it also allows you, like I said, it gives you 8K profile, but it down samples it to 4K to 6K on YouTube. Now, keep in mind, YouTube, then they gotta compress it and all that. And then when YouTube compress it, then it's gonna still be down sampled, but it's gonna still be a superb quality. And we should be about done, and we done a 2-pass encode. Now, any other graphic card, If it's a mid tier, it's not going to do it as fast. It's not going to be able to use the graphic card to do the encoding. So we are just about complete, and we are complete. And with that being said, that's going to be all. If you find yourself liking this content, please leave a subscribe. Smack that subscribe button. Like, comment, share. And until the next one, I will be getting with you all soon with something else. All right, appreciate it. Peace.